Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
Although Maria was tall.
Although Maria was tall. Sentence 2.
She kept on shying.
She kept on shying. Sentence 3.
The milk will turn sour.
The milk will turn sour. Sentence 4.
Just have a morsel.
Just have a morsel.